what's up guys, it's XS9 Nike Boy 11 and today I will be doing like a relay race thing. But yeah, it's going to be 2x2, pyra+, and 3x3. And yeah, I'll be doing the timer. So the first thing I will do is just do I'll just do all of the cubes. I'll do all of the cubes separately, and then I will do why can't I get this out? I will also do Beyblade vs GT like English dub thing. Well, I'm not gonna do the English dub, but like when the English dub comes out, I'm going to do like some okay, what I'm trying to say is that I've got a leak on Beyblade Burst Rise. But yeah, let's start. I'm gonna start with 2x2. I'm using CS timer. Okay, I'm going to use the generated scramble. The scramble, and I'm gonna put it in the description. The scramble is U prime. Hold up. Actually, just follow it with me. With white on top and green in front. U prime, R prime, front R2, U2, front R, U2, and F2, and U prime. So inspection time, and go. Okay, so there was the solve. It was 28 seconds for 2x2. Now we're moving on to 3x3. And okay, the generated scramble is of course white on top and green on front. Front prime, L, D2, L2, F prime, R2, B prime, L2, B2, D2, U2, R2, U prime, front, L prime, D2, front prime, U, and R prime. Okay. And go. Sorry if that's out of frame. Okay, so that wasn't such a good time, but yeah, that was 1 minute and 7 seconds. Now on to pyra+. Yeah, I could probably get sub 1 minute with 3x3, but yeah, let's move on to pyra+. And the scramble I am using is white on front, green on the right and red on the left for pyramix. The scramble is U prime, R prime, B prime, L, B prime, U prime, B prime, R prime, U prime, L, R prime, and U prime. And go. Sorry if that's out of frame. Sorry again. Alright, so that was 21 seconds for pyramix. And now I am going to do like all of them like just together. And yeah, you can hand scramble for this, just don't like cheat or anything. But yeah. Okay, so actually wait, don't hand scramble, do the scramble. And I'm holding it the same way as last time. I'm going to 2 by 2. 2 by 2 scramble is R2, U prime, front, R, front 2, U prime, R prime, U, front, and U2. Pyramix scramble will be R, B, R prime, L prime, B, R, L, B prime, R prime, B prime, and U prime. 3 by 3 scramble will be, oh yeah, and I'm holding all the cubes the same way I did last time. And the scramble for 3 by 3 is B, R2, U2, front, R2, D, front 2, B2, R prime, U2, F prime, L2, D2, back 2, U2, front, back, and R2. Okay, so the order I am doing this in is 2 by 2, and then 3 by 3. Wait, no, 2 by 2, and then 3 by 3, and then pyramix. So, okay, let's go. Oh yeah, by the way, this is like a relay type thing. So, yeah. Okay, now on the pyramix. Okay, so there was the solve. And now, I will be doing the, Beyblade Burst, like, Rise League. And yeah. So yeah, this will be really quick. Uh, so hold up. Hold up. Blade. Hold up. Okay, so yeah, if you didn't know, Beyblade Burst Rise is the English dub of Beyblade Burst GT, and it's coming out soon. So, the names for Rise, and of course they're probably going to change it. Vault Alloy, Dante Koryu, and GT his name was Drum, Amane Kabushka, and I'm just saying the characters right now. Delta Zakiro, uh, Fumiya Kendo, Takane Kabushka. I think that's gonna be Amane's brother. Ichiya Kendo, which is Fumiya's sister. Tango Koryu, which I guess is related to what's his name? Drum or Dante. Homani the announcer, Joe Ruika, and if you don't know who that is, he owns Judgment Joker, are going to be Judger Joker in Rise. Loden, and then there's Loden Hijama, and his original name, and then we have Iger Akabane. His original name in GT was Iga Akaba. Then we have Pa Hope and Blind Devoy. And Ken Uraim? I don't know. I don't know who that is. But yeah. I'm going to cut the video real quick. Okay. So, yeah, I found the episode names. But yeah, some of the names are obviously going to be changed because they have to, like, yeah, but they have to change it a lot. Oh, hold up, I'm at the wrong one. So, yeah, since I can't find the actual, like, leaks, I'm going to do my predictions and stuff. I think, okay, so the first episode is going to be Time to Get Serious, Ace Dragon. Yeah, that's what it's gonna be called. Second episode is gonna be called Keep Going, Bush and Ashura. Third, Seriously, Wizard Fafnir. 4, the Fiery Dragon. 5, Dragon versus Fafnir. 6, Explosive Speed, Grand Beat. 7, Vault, I Challenge You. 8, The Exciting Bay Carnival. 9, All In Judgment Joker. Now, from what I've heard, the episode is actually going to be called All In Judger Joker, because Hasbro and in the English dub, they're going to change Judgment Joker to Judger Joker. So the episode is probably going to be called All In Judger Joker. It's a Gatinko battle in the best 4. Yeah, I mean, it's probably going to be called that. It's a Gatinko battle in the best 4, or it's going to be it's a Rise battle in the best 4, but it's probably going to be Gatinko. 11 is going to be Sirius versus Trix. 12 is Heavy Steel versus Zwei Longinus. Now, I know in Rise they're going to change Zwei Longinus to Zwei Luinor, because that's what the English dub in Hasbro has always been. So the episode is probably going to be Heavy Steel Zwei Luinor. Episode 13 is going to be I've Got This, Go Shoot. They're probably going to change it to I've Got This, Let It Rip, because in the original Japanese version it's Go Shoot, in the English dub it's Let It Rip. 14 is Serious Burst Gold Turbo, probably going to be that. 15 is Drum vs. Delta. They're probably going to change that to Dante vs. Delta, because in the English dub, Drum is going to be called Dante. So Dante versus Delta. So number 16, episode number 16, is called Bay of the Devil, Diabolos. I don't know what they're going to call it, because they're not allowed to have that in there. So it's going to be something like the Most Sinister Bay or something. And then because they're going to change Diabolos to Demobolos. Episode number 17 is Fly Heaven Pegasus. That's probably going to be Fly Haven Pegasus, because they're going to change Heaven Pegasus to Haven Pegasus. 18, The Most Sinister Heart, Dread Bahamut. That's number 18. Yeah, that's probably going to be The Most Sinister Art, Dread Balkesh, because it's Dread Balkesh in the English dubs and Hasbro. Number 19 is Flash Shining Cross, which is probably going to be the same thing. And then 20, Airhead versus God's Child. I don't know if they're going to be able to put that in. I don't really have a prediction for that. Battle in the Sky, it's probably going to be that. 22, Emerging 6, Battle Journey. 23, Spin Battle Win. 24, Clash in the GT3. It's either going to be that or Clash in the Rise 3. Then 25, a challenge to Aiga. They're probably going to change that to a challenge to Eiger, because they changed Aiga Akaba to Eiger Akabane. And then 26, it's Serious Drum versus Aiga. They're probably going to change that to It's Serious Dante versus Eiger. Then number 27 episode, Shine My Gold Turbo. So yeah, that's probably what they're going to change that to. And yeah, I'm going to go do something real quick and say what the names are probably going to be. I meant for the Beyblades in the English dub and the Hasbro versions. Okay, so I'm going to say what the names for the Beyblades are probably going to be, and some we already know. So, the first Hasbro Beyblade, or the first Beyblade in the English dub, is going to be obviously Ace Dragon. Then they're going to change Slash Valkyrie to Sword Valtryek. They're probably going to keep Bush Nashura. Then Wizard Fafnir, that's probably going to stay the same. Cosmo Valkyrie is probably going to be Cosmo Valtryek if it even comes out. I don't think it's going to come out, because it was never in the show. Judgment Joker is going to be Judger Joker. Dread Bahamut is going to be Dread Balkesh. Zwei Longinus is going to be Zwei Luinor. Venom Diabolos is going to be Venom Demobolos. Then there's going to be Poison Hydra. That's probably going to stay the same. Then they have Heaven Pegasus. That's going to be Haven Pegasus. And we don't know about Union Achilles or anything, but I I think that Union Achilles is probably going to stay Union Achilles. If they do change it, it's probably going to be Unite Achilles. But yeah, Union Achilles. And somebody asked me this. What was my first Rubik's Cube? My first Rubik's Cube. But yeah, my first Rubik's Cube. I'm going to go get it right now. But yeah, the answer to what was my first cube is actually this 2x2 Rubik soft cube. Yeah, it was my first cube. And I'll put a link to his channel in the description. Go subscribe to him. His YouTube name is GB Cubes. But, yeah, guys, thanks for watching and bye. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe.